Now this is a beautiful car, brand new model, Volkswagen Tiguan 2-litre diesel R-Line. Now this is in a special colour called the Dolphin Grey, still under the manufacturer's warranty. It's a brilliant compact SUV, 5-seater, massive boot, just enough ground clearance, but because it's the R-Line, it's got a cracking specification and it looks really sporty. So from the front you have that new design to the headlights, the grille and the bumpers, a bit more refined. The chrome huge R grille there. The IQ lighting system, which is front and rear, so that starts off with the daytime running lights and the LED headlights. The R-Line also gives you the big bumpers with the black inserts and the chrome sections, front rear parking sensors with adaptive cruise control. Now this car also has the 20-inch upgraded alloy wheels, which are diamond cut with a black on the insert, and because it is a compact SUV, it does have an extension on the arch kit, so it has that off-road look to it. All the R badging, some protection glass. A massive extra on this particular car is the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. And as I open the door, the first thing you'll notice is that beautiful R-Line seat with the R embossed on the back of the seat, ambient lighting. You have that lovely, it's not carbon fibre, but it has that carbon fibre effect on the door cards and the centre trim. Touchscreen media system, navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's more leather on the door cards, but then you have the DSG gearbox. You've also got heated seats, dual zone climate control, so this is all changed. It's all touch sensitive, including the climate area. USB ports down there with a 12-volt socket. Push button start, park assist, 2 keys, twin cup holders, and the centre armrest, which is also leather wrapped, can be taken up to discover more cubbyhole space. In the back, you've got loads of space, headroom, legroom, heating system down below, and you've got more USC as well. Pockets on the back of the seat. Brilliant condition because the car's done 18,000 miles, but for me it's the colour, the wheels, the panoramic roof, and this car has what you call the swivelling deployable tow bar, which you don't really get in a car this size normally, but you press that button there, electronically the tow bar pops out, ready to use. When you finish, it goes away again. You've got a nice boot space. It's a 2-litre diesel engine. Seats go down 60/40. That is a big, deep boot. LED lighting system around the back. No dents or scratches on the car whatsoever. And as you come into the driver's side, you've got electric windows and mirrors. Push button start we know about, but you have got the full digital dash there with the navigation displayed. A flat bottom steering wheel, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control as I mentioned before, Bluetooth controls there as well. I'll start it back up again because the diesel engines of the VW, you know exactly where you're getting. Put it into reverse and then the sensors come on. But like I said, you've got all the adjustments for the seat, up and down. The backrest as well, nice sporty seat. The condition is key and this one's been very well looked after. And remember, you've got the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, which is the full piece of glass. Awesome car, we haven't had one for ages, but to get one in the new model with the wheels, the roof, the tow bar, 22 registration, 2-litre diesel is a very special car. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.